your skill level, the Style panel will allow you to completely customize the look of your campaign, with no coding required. To open the Style panel, click this icon. Start by choosing a theme. Each theme is a professionally designed combination of colors, styles, and fonts. Then, use the controls within the Style panel to fine-tune it to the look you want. Under General, you'll edit styles applied to your entire campaign. Start by editing the color palette. You'll have quick access to these color swatches so you can easily apply a consistent look throughout your campaign. Also under General, edit other global settings such as your page's background color, pop-ups, and much more. If you'd like to make changes to all of one type of widget, for example, if you have more than one share widget and want to style them to look the same, click the drop-down and select the share widget. Any changes made in these menus will be applied to all of the share widgets in your campaign. If you'd like to apply styles to a single widget, for example, if you want to add a maximum width to this image widget, but not to any of the other images, select the widget in the Edit Widgets panel. Any edits made in this menu will only be applied to the individual widget you selected. When editing text, it's handy to know the tag associated with it so that you can choose the correct menu to edit in the Style panel. For example, if you'd like to edit this text, you can find the text tag in the Rich Text widget. This has an H1 tag, so expand the H1 menu in the Style panel to edit it. This same Rich Text widget is also displaying H4 text and H3 text. To undo any changes you've made, click the Undo arrow here at the bottom of the panel. You can also undo all the changes that you've made to a widget by clicking this link. To save any changes you've made, click the Save button. To further customize your campaign, you have the option to apply CSS. Just click this link in the top right corner to open the CSS panel.